Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Meta Quest 3 to a TV in 2026. So to begin with, the Meta Quest 3 does not connect to a TV using the HDMI port. Instead, it uses wireless casting to mirror your VR view. So first of all, you need to make sure that your TV supports Chromecast or built-in casting. Now you need to put your Meta Quest 3 and you need to simply press the Meta button in order to open the menu. Now when the menu is opened in front of you, you need to go to the option of camera. Over here, simply look for the option of cast. Now selecting your TV from the available devices list. Once selected, your VR screen will start appearing on the TV. Now if your TV doesn't support casting, you can also use a Google Chromecast. For that, you can plug the Chromecast into the TV and then you can connect it to the same Wi-Fi network as your headset. Then again, follow the same cast option on your Quest 3 and select the Chromecast device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.